Imagine a world where gravity didn't exist. Everything would just float away. Crazy, right? Nothing would stay on the floor, not even water. Let's explore what gravity really does and what would happen if it disappeared. This is DIY-SCI, do-it-yourself science. Simple ideas parents can show kids. So far, we've learned gravity pulls everything towards Earth. Sideways motion doesn't stop it. Mass is the stuff you have. Weight is how gravity pulls on it. And today we're going to imagine a world without any gravity at all. For example, these items on this tray. Notice how easily the objects leave the tray. Even a tiny lift or tilt makes them float away as if gravity weren't holding them down. Gravity keeps everything in place. Without it, nothing would stay put. Without gravity, the water wouldn't fall. It would just float in the air and form a ball like it does on the space station. Everything that stays on Earth, people, animals, oceans, even the atmosphere, depends on gravity. Without it, there'd be no floor, no rivers, no oceans. You'd all just drift around. It's like being underwater, but there's no water. We just float freely. Normally, gravity brings the ball back down. But without gravity, it wouldn't stop. It would keep moving forever in that direction. Here's the one idea to remember. Without gravity, nothing would stay on the ground. Now that we understand what gravity does and doesn't do, there's another question parents and kids often ask. How can astronauts on a space station feel like gravity is pulling on them when they're floating in orbit? That's artificial gravity, and we'll explore that in episode 105. See how motion can imitate gravity in space. This is DIY-SCI. Discover science yourself.